Hey guys, welcome back to my workshop and welcome to Manicure Custom Guitars. So a couple of videos ago, if you remember well, I took apart a couple of guitars. So to redo them, one will be refinished, but the other one will be a complete makeover. So for that makeover, I wanted to create something new, something unique, something original. So I came up with a new design. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the new MC Nocturnal. This will be our new production model, apart from the Odin and the Lullaby. And, well, something about this particular model. This is actually a combination of our two production models. If you can recognize carefully, the forward bout of the guitar, the two horns are from the Odin guitar, and the lower bout of the guitar, lower part, is part of the Lullaby guitar, but in reverse. So yeah, it's a cool design. I like it. It's growing on me, and I want to thank one of my colleagues at work, Mr. Ian Spiteri, which he came out with this particular and cool name for this guitar body, the Nocturnal. So yeah, if you're well into the gaming world, you might recognize this name from somewhere. Well, Nocturnal was a Daedric princess or goddess from the, well, famous Skyrim game. So yeah, so this build will have a Skyrim kind of theme. Let's find some wood and start building this magnificent guitar. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you liked it, enjoyed it, and learned something from it. If you're new to this channel and you're enjoying what you see, I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and hit that notification bell so you'll be aware about my future releases. I'll do CNC and guitar building related content. If you want to see more from Nicolo Custom Guitars, down below you will find links to my other socials and other means and ways to support this channel. So guys, until the next time, take care and goodbye.